Good morning.
Whis, are you there?
I'm here. Can I help you?
Please turn on the computer.
Please help me complete the tasks and write the work summary.
All right, got it.
Task initiated. Running script. Processing. Collecting data. Finalizing. Task complete.
Good. Lock the system.
System secured.
Navigating to Smart Factory.
Autopilot engaged.
Start. Whis 002, please stop production.
Got it.
Here is the latest prototype. We finalized the casing and the internal board last week.
The sample's very good.
I'm glad to hear that. We'll be ready for pilot production once you approve.
Excellent. Let's move forward.
Absolutely. I'll walk you through the line so you can see it in action.
Perfect.